Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to discuss about the issue of Valorant and Riot Client when you click on them and they do not open, and also they do not give you any error code. So if you are facing this issue, you are trying to click on Valorant and Riot Client to launch them but they are not opening at all, this is the video for you to help you resolve this issue. What you need to do, go to Riot Client, try to click on it and then click on properties and then click on compatibility. And then if you have run this program as an administrator selected, then deselect that and then make sure run this program in compatibility mode is selected and then choose here Windows 8. Once this is done, click on apply and then click on OK. And then do the same with Valorant, try to click on it and then click on properties and then click on compatibility. Deselect run this program as an administrator and then select run this program in compatibility mode and here choose Windows 8. Then click on apply and then click on OK. Once this is done, the problem should be sorted. You can now go ahead and click on Riot Client or Valorant and you can log in normally. In case that didn't work for you, you need to check if you have Avast or AVG antivirus installed in your system. If you have one of these antivirus, then make sure to uninstall them. Then go to Valorant or Riot Client and log in normally, it should work. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.